Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're new to this channel, my name is Indagir Priscilla and my channel is all about computer basics. So in this video I'm going to be talking about AI, which is artificial intelligence. So AI is literally everywhere, from our phones to our laptops. It's literally everywhere. So it's not a robot, but AI can do smarter things even more than humans can do. It can detect diseases in hospitals, so it helps in data analysis for healthcare. It also helps in fraud detection in finance. It helps in language translation. It also helps with recommendations, now like on Netflix. So in case you get a perfect movie recommendation, just know it is AI doing it. So AI has really changed the way we live. So artificial intelligence is a way of computers to think and learn. So it learns by analyzing data and essentially finding patterns to make decisions. So the more data it gets, the smarter it also gets. AI is also used by students to find information. And you can also use it to like ask personal questions. It will always answer. In case you have an assignment that you need to do and you need help, AI can also help you do that. So let me show you how you can use it to make your research. So you're going to use Google Chrome. We're going to use Google. So in case it's not showing on your Google, you can just come here and type out enable AI mode on Google. Yes, so you can just type this one here, google.com/AI, and then it will bring this. Then here you can ask anything that you want. So let me say it's like a class assignment and you want to know what a computer is. You just have to type in what is a computer, then you send, and then it will bring for you everything about computers. You can see here everything has been sent. It's right here. So in case you also want to search about something that is more personal, you can also search. Let's try. You just have to go down here, ask anything. Let's try asking, I am angry. What can I do? Then you send, and then it will bring for you different ways that you can calm down when you are angry, and you can see them here. It will bring for you even different sites that you can open to find out how you can deal with your anger. So really AI helps a lot. It helps a lot. It does things that humans would normally do, because now here if you're angry, you just need to go to a counselor, but now people just use AI to search. So the other thing about AI, it somehow knows if you like make a mistake while typing, it can tell that you've made a mistake and it will bring all the possible answers to that question. Like if I ask, what is a computer, but I misspell computer, and then I send that. And then it shows here appears to be a common misspelling of the word computer. So that way it can know, in case you make a mistake, it can know that you've made a mistake and it will bring for you exactly what you want. and here you can see it does that. So that's how you use AI to search. So everyone, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to follow and subscribe, and I hope you've learned something in this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, follow and subscribe, and please hit the post notification button so that every time I post something you will know. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.